Blizzard warning for Erie County, Pennsylvania, as the next pulse of heavy snow is crossing Lake Erie at 6 o'clock Thursday evening. This radar shows the snow is not falling steadily. This mottled appearance shows up on radar from Marquette, Michigan, and Green Bay, Wisconsin, and Grand Rapids, Michigan, South Bend, Indiana, and Cleveland, Ohio, and Buffalo, and Fort Drum, New York. With the Weather Observer, I don't need to leave a laptop tab open. Instead, I have this display showing me everything I want. I can list towns. Check it out at theweatherobserver.com.